So Sosh, a really impressive performance tonight. What was your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, I thought we were excellent from the first whistle to the last. Bit disappointing Saturday, we had the victory, but I thought we didn't move the ball quick enough. I thought tonight we did, and it really showed. I think we hit the bar 3 times in the first half, so 5-0 could have been a lot more, and a clean sheet, so very pleasing.
So like the clean sheet was Barney Simpson in goal, academy star with a lot of players and all that sort of stuff coming from the academy. Is that showing a lot of quality?
Yeah, like I said, I always said here, the academy is, I think, one of the best in Wales. We've got lads who are coming through, and we've got no problem playing them. Elliot has come in so far. He's had his chance, 17, and he's been superb.
Adam Davis and George Mears both got a brace tonight. Is it, would you rather them two? Do you think was they more perfect? Or?
I couldn't pick a man of match tonight. I thought Ebony was excellent. I don't think Ebony had a bad game. Like I said, pleasing, it was a clean sheet. It's nice to score goals, but we haven't conceded again tonight, so we've got a massive game on Saturday.
You said about the massive game on Saturday. It was Bangor, one of our old foes in many years, back in the Llangefni North for the first time.
Yeah.
We're top, their mid-table is going to be a 6-point game, or?
No, it's early days. Hopefully we get the 3 points, but I went to watch them against Buckley, and they've got some great players. So hopefully we're on it again Saturday, and looking forward to the battle.